What electronics do you need on a yacht? Essential systems for safety, comfort, and connectivity. Modern yachts rely on far more than a simple GPS screen. Today's vessels depend on integrated electronic systems that work together for safe navigation, reliable communication, onboard comfort, and seamless connectivity. Essential yacht electronics include multifunction navigation displays, GPS, radar, AIS, VHF communication, autopilot, sonar, satellite internet, onboard Wi-Fi, audio-video systems, and monitoring equipment. Modern marine technology functions as one connected ecosystem. Radar overlays onto chart plotters, GPS feeds autopilot systems, and Starlink powers internet for streaming, remote work, navigation updates, and guest connectivity. Proper integration matters just as much as the hardware itself. Weak networking, poor calibration, and disconnected systems can create frustrating operational problems on board. Concord Marine Electronics in Fort Lauderdale specializes in navigation systems, radar, Starlink, MDS Blender networking, Crestron AV integration, and professional marine electronics installation for modern yachts.